Hello again. This is Brian Wallace from Coin Laundry Association, and I thought I'd take a minute to wrap up our year, a little bit of a review and update, and kind of tie off the year that we've had together. And first and foremost, I want to thank all of you in the laundromat industry, all of you laundry professionals, for just another phenomenal year of taking care of the millions and millions of families who rely on our services each and every week. It's not easy. It's not easy to do as well as all of you do that. And we're really providing a tremendous service to the communities that we serve. And so I just wanted to thank you for all that you're doing. I also want to thank you for your support of Coin Laundry Association, of Planet Laundry, of the Laundry Cares Foundation. We just had an incredible year together, pushing our industry forward, taking care of our communities, and we couldn't do it without that support that you provide for us. Also a great opportunity to thank our amazing team here at the association, the magazine, and the foundation. Just some really dedicated professionals bringing all of this to you day in and day out for the last year, and certainly going forward. So just a couple quick highlights that I thought I would share. There's always some benefit in looking back and seeing what we're up to, and our community continues to grow. We look back at our recruitment of new members this year. It's up about 20%. So we really appreciate that. All of you that are brand new, hopefully as a new member, you had a chance to chat with me over the phone. That's kind of a consultation we make available to everyone. And I just get a big kick out of meeting you and seeing where you're at in your laundromat journey and looking for ways for us to help you. In terms of making resources more accessible to you this year, we also converted all of our monthly educational webinars to a no-cost basis for our members. We also lifted the paywall on our online forum to get more participation. Another great year for content with Planet Laundry Magazine, which continues to be the flagship for all things reporting and informing about the laundromat business. Certainly a breakthrough year for Laundry Cares Foundation, a record number of events. We certainly saw a more than doubling of the number of family read, play, learn spaces that are now installed in communities across the United States, providing free books and early childhood literacy support to the families who need them most. Really just incredible. And as we head toward the finish line here, we're going to be just shy of 500,000 pounds of free laundry donated through our program, which is just astounding and incredible. And thanks to all of you that have volunteered, that have hosted, or otherwise spread the word on Laundry Cares Foundation. One of the big events for Laundry Cares and the whole rest of the industry this year was Clean Show, Clean 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. We had just an incredible turnout, well over 9,000 industry professionals gathering together. The education was terrific. The networking, the spirit, the vibe was just unlike really anything I'd seen in the last 30 years that I've been around the industry. So kudos to all of you who took the time to come out, to participate, to engage, and it really bodes well for the future of the industry. Speaking of events, we inaugurated our very first Wash, Dry, Fold workshop just last month here in the Chicago market. And it was just a blockbuster success. For the first time out, or any time out, we had about 190 participating registrants. The education was spot on. Again, the camaraderie, the fellowship, the sharing was really above and beyond what I could have ever expected, and really put some major momentum behind our initiative to do more to support the wash, dry, fold, delivery, and commercial account market that has just taken off here in recent years. And we've got a lot more on that coming for you as we look at the new year. And when we look ahead to the new year, certainly looking forward to increasing engagement, getting out there with more events. 2022 is the kind of first post-COVID opportunity to get out there more often, which I really enjoyed, between distributor shows, our local CLA Connect Live events, our Laundry Cares outreach. It was great to be back on the road this past year. We've got a new website coming for you, long overdue, I'd admit. We really need to be focused on improving the digital experience with us here, and that's well underway. We're looking forward to bringing that to you next year, and you'll be able to see those improvements, more access to resources, and just an easier experience, especially with things like engaging in meetings and using our store and the like. More events coming in the new year, not only our Connect Live events each and every month in different cities around the country. We have our long-awaited return of Excellence in Laundry coming in May. That'll be at the beautiful Rancho Bernardo Inn in San Diego. That's May 9th through the 11th. Registration is open for that now at coinlaundry.org. But this is our flagship event. This is our premier event for the very best of the best, bringing to you speakers from all walks of life, all walks of interest to really challenge you as entrepreneurs and help you grow, let alone the really highest level networking that we have in our industry. So hopefully you'll be able to join us for that. And yes, Wash, Dry, Fold conference will be back next fall. We don't quite have the date just yet, but we'll share that out very soon so you can start planning for that. And, what do you want to see? What do you want to see from us? If you've got ideas, whether it's resources, events, support that you think we could be providing through your association, please reach out and let us know that. You can always catch me at brian@coinlaundry.org or really any of our team to share those thoughts and ideas. And just want to make sure that you're part of that conversation. So as we wind down, I just want to, again, express my appreciation for a vibrant, resilient, resourceful industry that continues to face the challenges, and there are many, to overcome, to provide the service, and to do what we need to do as small business owners. And I'm just as proud as always of how well our industry performed the past year. And I know that this coming year will present its own challenges, but ones that we'll be able to overcome by working together and pooling our resources and doing what's best for the industry. So as a New Year's resolution, we're certainly committed to doing all we can to help you be successful. And if you would help us by engaging, if you're not yet a member, please consider coming on board. We can get more done with you, with your input. And we know that it's strength in numbers that really drives our industry forward. So thank you for listening. Thanks for giving us a few minutes to recap a really exciting 2022. Happy New Year, and we hope to see you out on the road next year. Thank you.